Hello, my dear valued viewers. Here is Vishalakshi Rajapantula, and you are watching Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you join us for informative and insightful discussions on the latest trends and strategies in the stock market. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, we are decided to providing valuable content that will help you navigate the dynamic world of day trading. Welcome. This video is about three psychological challenges while taking the trade and its scientific way of finding the solutions to solve it. Now, let's get into the video. The first one is as you are the trader, the price comes to your location, but you can't place the trade due to the fear of losing. I expect this that you know the system and you are doing your pre-market analysis and you are waiting to take the trade at your location. I expect this from you because without knowing the system, how to do it, you can't go through the buying or selling any index or asset. Okay, I expect you to do it. If you don't know what is the system and where to start and what is the way to get into this field, I will tell you how to know this in the video. Okay, the price comes to your location but you can't place the trade due to fear of losing. Yes, isn't it? It sounds really relatable, right? The price comes to your location but you hesitate to take the trade due to the fear that my hard earned money may be lost. This is one of the top psychological challenge that face every trader, every novice trader, or even some experienced traders also trade this know this challenge. Okay, regretting that. The second one is regretting that as if I was into the trade, I would have made this much of amount and imagine daydreaming all such things and then praying the price to come your location because you didn't enter at the right time. Luckily, the price comes to your location. Again, you doubted why the price came here, if there is any possibility to hit the stop loss. And again, it gives a good move and hits your target. Again, you regret. This is the second psychological challenge that the traders face. The third one is you keep on involving yourself with the current profit and loss fluctuations, and once it comes to your entry position, even it gives some profits to you, you exited the trade because it comes to your entry area. These are the three psychological challenges that face every single trader. So I would like to overcome these psychological challenges with a right mindset, right rational thinking and all. I'm going to explain with the example and how to act upon those particular situations in the market. Let's get deeper into the video. Now I'm going to tell you the scientific solution to overcome these psychological challenges. The solution is, when you learn a system, stick to system generating price related information. You don't have to involve yourself thinking that maybe this could happen, maybe that might happen, maybe that might happen. In the last previous day, it has happened at this price location. No, nothing like that. Every trade is an independent trade of the previous trades. This is the golden point. Keep it in your mind. Every trade is independent of the previous trade. There is no connection between the previous trade and the trade you are executing today, because previous day has different sort of traders who are trading that system, and today maybe those traders are not here to trade here. Maybe their emotions are different, maybe their view is different. There are infinite number of possibilities that could affect your trading decision. Yes, it is relatable. Okay, now when you learn a system, stick to system generating price related information. When it gives the signal, just enter the trade. If you lose, you lost according to the predetermined stop loss. Yes, you have the stop loss. Stop loss is nothing but you are paying the money to the market to give you more money. It is just a business. And all these things comes with the confidence from the back testing. Yes, Backtesting, you have to do it to understand what is happening in your system. Even though I am teaching the system to you, if you don't backtest, you don't know how to react in particular situations. Yes, if you backtest your system and you understand what I am saying to you, what is the system is delivering, if it is delivering the right way or not, or what is your risk appetite, everything will be known by you by the back testing only, because my risk appetite is different than your risk appetites. My duty here is to teach you, or to train you according to the system. Just to tell you the system is my duty. After that, the duty is yours to backtest the system, choose what suits to your personality, what is your risk appetite, everything depends upon you. These systems is like graduating from a college, and if you are getting the job, it is 100% up to uh, in your hands. It is not in the hands of the uh, college, because there are 100 and 200 members are studying over there. They tell the system, they tell the lessons, they deliver the lectures only. What you are taking from that lectures is up to you, whether you are working it out or just chilling going to the college, up to you. Apply that example to this system. When you learn a system, it is completely your responsibility to take the loss or the profit. You are the master of yourself. You are the boss for yourself. And this confidence comes from the backtesting. Okay? This confidence comes from backtesting. When you backtest, you know in and out of the system. And one more thing, if you don't know where to start, what to learn, and what is your risk appetite, and you want to make money in the stock market, and you want to graduate from a college, like in your graduation, this is the place. I can train you the system and how it works in Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you are interested, and the words, the lecture, the training, the presentation I am giving you, if you like this presentation, if you understand what I am saying, just attend my webinar so that you will get uh, energy in the market, and in the long run you will be in profits. Okay, the reason. Okay, the reason is stop loss is the business operating cost to earn the profits. Yes, stop loss is the business operating cost. Why would you think that once the market took money from you, why would you think that market betrayed me like that? No, market is giving you infinite opportunities to take money from the market. So I will explain this with an example. Stop loss is the business operating cost. I will tell you an example that you are going to start a restaurant business where you want to implement in a big way, where you want to have at least 2 to 3 branches over there, and you have to put your money into it. Yes, you have to put your money into it, and you have leased some building or something else to your restaurant. You have to install the cooking related stuff in the kitchen, right? Yes, you, in order to deliver food, you have to install cookware, some stoves, something like that, and you have to put some tables, chairs, sofas, etc., etc. in your restaurant. You have to invest in that restaurant to get earnings from the restaurant, right? So you are investing there 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs per restaurant. Do you tell me for sure after the end of 6 months you are going to get profits? No, right? There are a lot more things involved in the business. You there you have to have a good customer base. If you don't have customer base there, if you are putting in your restaurant in the desert, anybody will come to you? No, there are a lot of factors over there. You have to have a good customer base, you have to have tasty delicious food with you with reasonable price. These are the metrics to be known to be known to implement the restaurant business. And it needs lot of money, and you operate month by month by paying salaries to your staff. Likewise, stop loss is the business operating cost, where you don't go anywhere from your home. You can trade at the benefit of your home, and you know you can handle everything in your home. You can be available to your children, you can be available to your parents. There are lots of stuff going on at your home, and it gives you lots and lots of benefits to you, but it is asking you to for two things: just learn a system and stick to the system with the stop loss. These are the two most important things. If you want to overcome the psychological challenges, first thing you have to do is accept the stop loss according to the system. I'm not saying that just entering somewhere randomly and accepting the stop loss, that would be a life blunder to you. No, I'm not saying that. You have to learn a system and implement that system for 2 to 3 months, and you know what is the in and out of the system, and you accept that stop loss only. This is the right way. Now, let's get into the chart to explain the psychological barriers over here and how to overcome them. For example, I assume that you know you are having a system and you are doing your pre-market analysis. Okay, in pre-market analysis, I'll explain that this is the place where I want to enter. For example, this is the place where I want to enter, and the price closes above this level. The price closes above this level, and maybe there are so many thoughts in your mind, whether there is about Fed interest rate hike, something like the Nifty is near to the all-time high, there may be a chance to drop out. There are hundreds of thought process in your brain, but what you have to do is act upon these levels, because you have learned the system is giving you the opportunity. Just enter the market with the prior stop loss. And what happens here for the novice traders is, once it closes above it, they think about whether to enter the market, whether it triggers the stop loss, or there may be any clash over all around the world, anything can happen. Oh, okay. Then they didn't enter the market after the close of this candle, and they think like, after the close of this candle, oh, I have missed the opportunity and I have to enter this trade. They pray to God that the price should come to this level because this is their entry point. And as God has answered his prayers or her prayers, the price came till here, and they didn't enter the market expecting that maybe this could take my stop loss. No, nothing like that. Until you are below the stop loss, below the strong support, most of the time, I'm not saying that every time, most of the time it would not come below this support, because there are many traders present over here like you, as this CPR pivot point indicator is a professionally used indicator. All money making, most of the money making professionals use these CPR pivot points, and they enter at this point knowing that this is the strong support. And you didn't enter because of doubting whether it triggers your stop loss. Again, it is your target has reached, and you keep on regretting about the decision. But what you have to do, this is the question here, you have to think like this. What could you interpret after the close of this candle? Think of it. What could you interpret after this close of this candle? I'll tell you what is the right professional trader's mindset after the close of this candle. They interpret that they know that there is going to be a great support here, and here from here onwards there are many traders in the market which is in bullish view. They wants to buy the stock. That number of traders move the price from here to here, and it made the price to close above the support. This is the right mindset. This is the right mindset. If you can't see all those persons over there all over India, right? You can't see them. What are their emotions? You don't know what are their obstacles at that point of time. For example, I want to enter the trade here. There is something there is something happened at our home or our some or my office, something like that, and I can't take the trade, just get out of the out from this monitor, and I can't do it. Did you know that I want to take the trade and I didn't take the trade? No, right? You are seeing the trader's behavior with these candles only. This candle indicates that there is going to be big buying pressure here. So this closes above it. This is the confirmation for you, and you have to wait for one more candle. If you are not confirmed, wait for one more candle. If the price comes to your entry area, just take the trade, because your system is a back tested system, and what you are doing, you know whether you are doing right or wrong things, and you enter here. It gives the profit of 1 is to 3 risk reward. If it triggers your stop loss, you are losing just 1%. Okay, the main important thing is the back testing data and able to read the price action here. Okay, yeah, this is an indication that traders are in bullish mode, and once it closes above it, traders like me who are watching CPR pivot points, they would enter at this area. I'm not saying that entering at exactly support area, but at this area like this. Okay, but at this area. Now let's get into the PowerPoint presentation. I hope I deliver all the 3 points to you, all the 3 challenging points to you. Now, let's check. Now, when price comes to your location, just act on it and do your trading journal every day. Regretting is something like you can't get over it. If you act upon it, you're getting the experience. I'm not saying that you have to enter the market with a big lot size. Just enter with one small lot size. If you can't afford to lose that money, also you are not suited for this profession. You have to give money to the market and extract more money from the market. This is the psychology, and don't regret it. If you have committed mistakes, understood what is the mistake you have done and rectify it, and don't see your P&L all the time while you are in trade, because it gives you anxiety and pressure. Yes, it gives you anxiety and pressure. Don't trade profit and loss account, because there are so many fluctuations in the charts. Sometimes they the so, I I'll tell you. Sometimes the price is moves like this in a zigzag way, but at the end of the month, without triggering your stop loss, it goes to your target point. Yes, this is true. So don't trade your P&L account. It needs some experience. It don't come with 1 month or 2 months trading. It comes with the experience, and stick to your system. Okay. If at all you want to learn the CPR pivot point system and how to do pre-market analysis, important levels to be marked, and what are the bearish strategies, bullish strategies, when you can predict the consolidation phase, everything will be discussed in the webinar. Where you want to attend the webinar, please make sure you contact me in this email ID. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like the content, please share this to your trading community.